Hello everyone, this is Ryan here. I'm on my camcorder here. It's recording a video. Let's test out the video quality here. I don't know how it looks. I just erased a bunch of stuff on my SD card. Now I can record a little bit more. But yeah, check out this. I'm recording on my camcorder. Well, how was that, guys? How's the video quality? Is it pretty good? My brain is out. Yeah, the video quality is not terrible. No, it's not bad at all. The video quality is not bad at all. I mean, I need to figure out how to change the brightness on this, but it's... see if it shows the sunset or not. There's a camera here. Yeah, let me back out a little bit here. Okay. Yeah, so, yeah, it's not too bad. A little bit more to the mountain there. Yeah, it picks up more light though. This camera does pick up more light. You can tell it does pick up more light. But, yeah. I mean, the sunset's right there. It's picking up more light than on my phone. But at least the picture quality isn't that terrible. Let's have a look here. This is my new camera here, guys. Style camcorder. Yeah, the picture does flicker, but hey, you know what? It works. Alright guys, take care, and thank you for watching.